This video is about Thai Safe Thai. So when you search in the Google Thai Safe Thai, the one you want to choose is the one that end with .moph.go.th. When you click on that, it will show you this page in Thai language. On top right hand side, you can change the language. Now the normal process, you need to click registration for employee. However, there's a error in the system where when you log out and try to log in again, it doesn't work. So we'll go to assess the risk. So if you got the link from school email or you scan the QR code in the school, it will direct you to this page. Again, if it's in Thai, you can change the language here on the top right. The same thing apply if you use mobile phone or you use Thai Safe Thai application. If you use Android, go to Google Play and you search Thai Safe Thai, and you can change the language and select the same thing, assess for the risk. The same if you use Apple. So in the App Store, you search for Thai Safe Thai, you get the same link. You can change the language and you can select assess the risk. So now the form in the web page and the form in the application is the same. So you just answer the form. So let me answer this real quick. So if you live in Bangkok province, if I'm not wrong, it's green. Okay. PCR technique. No. No, I haven't done PCR test. Okay. I got vaccinated. Now here, if you got AstraZeneca, is this one, the one that start with AZD. So it's mentioned in Thai here, AstraZeneca. Okay. Process. So this is the page that you want to take a photo or screenshot if you use your mobile, right? So you will use this to fill the Pan Asia safety form along with the ATK picture. Okay, so this video will end